Hello there and welcome back. In today's video, we'll be talking about RAM or the lack of it in desktop Windows computer. When you're opening a program, it will be momentarily stored in some memory chips that together are called RAM. And if your computer has 4 gigs or less of RAM, and depending on the way you use your computer, you will find you in some situations where your computer may feel slower. And this could be because of the lack of RAM. So there's a simple way of actually tricking Windows into believing that there is more RAM in your computer than there actually is, and this can help improve things for you. And this is quite easy to set up. So let's look at how this can be done, shall we? Okay, so for it to work, you need to check that you have enough space on your hard drive, because actually we'll be creating a file that will be using some space on your hard drive, and as general practice it is very recommended to have at least 1/4 free on your hard drive for everything to work well. So just make sure you have at least 6 to 8 gigs free on your hard drive. And if you have a fast hard drive in your system, preferably an SSD drive or a fast eMMC drive, that will actually improve things for you. So let's go to the first step now. So what you need to do is go here in search windows and you tap the full word system, okay? And you will get here, when you have typed system in full at the bottom, you will get this system control panel. So you just click here. So you are going to get this dialog here, and so there's many information on that. What you want to look at is this here, the install RAM memory that you have on your computer. And if you're not sure what that number is, well, that's where you will find it. So if you didn't know that number, you can look here and write it down. So in the computer I'm using today to demonstrate this, there's 2 gigs of RAM. Once you have that written down, now you want to go to Advanced System Settings, and that's where you'll click. So you click here, Advanced System Settings, and that will open this dialog here. And in this dialog you want to select the Advanced tab. So if that's not selected already, you click here to get the Advanced tab. And now here in the first setting, Performance, that's where we will want to change things. So you click on Settings here, and that will open this new dialog. Same thing here, you want to be in the Advanced tab, so we'll click on it. And here, that's where we will be able to change a few things. In virtual memory, okay, so I already have set the paging file, but that's where we want to change it. So you click here on Change. And in here, you will get the list of drives connected to the computer that you can use for your paging file. So the first thing you need to do is select your fastest drive in this list here. And then in here, okay, custom size, that's where we will be able to change things. So I have already set this up for you to know where the numbers go, but you will need to put an exact number in here, and I have prepared the list for you. And the number that you have written down before that tells you how much RAM is in your system, be it 1, 2, 3 or 4 as it is on the left, you will need to write down the corresponding number on the right. So maybe at this point you can pause the video and take note of this number. So you take the corresponding number here that you have. So if that's 2 gigs, 3072, 3 gigs, 1406, and so forth. And that number will have to go in both boxes here. Okay, initial size 3072, in this case for 2 gigs RAM in the system, and maximum size 3072 also. And then you need to click on Set. Once that's done, you click on OK, and then in every following window you will click on Apply and then OK. So that's what you need to do. Then click on Apply, click on OK. And once that's done, you need to restart your computer. And once you restart your computers, these changes will be in effect and that will be working for you. So that's quite actually easy to set up. So if it worked for you, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give me a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, just click right here to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch the next video coming up, click right here. Bye bye.